Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a DIY Z Gallerie Indigo Geode wall art. I saw this on the website and I really like it for my office. I will be trying to decorate my office space. So this is what I will be using. I got this wall geode hanger from the Dollar Tree, and I will be using some frames. And you could get the bigger frames at the Dollar Tree. You can get whatever size that you like. But I love this color, and this was the only one that I found. Would have been nice if it was a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Okay, so you guys, I did say that I was going to be doing a giveaway. I am still going to give away something, but I'm not sure what I should. So let me know in the comments down below what you think I should give away. And yeah, so I could do that in my next video. I'm so excited to do it. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you like it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You are amazing. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.